Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about this really tiny but powerful Bluetooth speaker. This is the from MusiBaby, and it's the M68 portable speaker. It's got multiple colors you can get it in. We've got black, light blue, there's red, and there's a couple of combinations. You can click on the description and find out more about that. But let's get inside this box. This here, and I'll just read off the box, it's got the wireless transmission, of course, Bluetooth. It can be used as a telephone, microphone situation. It's got stereo sound quality and a bunch of different options. So, okay, enough of that. Let's get into the box. Comes really well packaged. I always like good packaging. Good packaging always speaks to me that if they spent time on the package, you're probably getting a quality product. As I rip the box. There we go. Okay. Little welcome card, thank you card, if you will, and the instructions right here. I like when they spend time on this. Very easy to understand, well written. Okay, so I like that. All right, and then here is everything we get. So there's a charging cable, which actually works as an antenna as well, which I'll explain in a moment. There's a 3.5 millimeter cable, 3.5 millimeter cable for plugging into a direct device. We'll show you that. And there's a nice little wrist strap there if you want to use that as well, okay? And here it is, MusiBaby, right? Just to give you a size perspective, right? There's my hand. So it's tiny but powerful, and it's really easy to use. We're just going to press and hold this to turn it on. There's the magic, right? And just like any other device, you would look for the M68 Baby or something like that. It'll show up. Now, right here on the top is where you've got your volume controls and your next or previous song control as well. And we just kind of zoom in here and show you this so you get a nice close-up of this right here. You'll see we've got the USB charger, which is the cable here, and you can put a TF or a smart or a memory card in there if you've got your MP3s on that, and you can plug in a USB as well for playing your music as well. So. Now, one of the other things I really like about this is that you can use this as a radio. That's right, it's got a built-in FM radio, and when you go into radio mode, you can also plug in the USB cable, and it acts as an antenna, so you can pick up better signals with that as well. Let me show you how that works. So we're just going to double-click this here.
Radio mode.
There we go.
Radio mode.
Okay, once again in radio mode, you hear all the static, etc. Now I'm going to just click this once, and it's going to start searching the radio stations. It's going to go through the entire spectrum, and then when it's done, it'll play the first radio station that it picks up, and then you can pick or press the plus or the minus to go to the previous or next station. Now, as I mentioned before, this works as an antenna, so we're going to plug this in so we can hopefully get better reception. Let's give it a moment to pick everything up. Okay, so we've got the radio going. It's scanned through all the band, and you can see this is acting like an antenna, which is really cool. So for charging, it acts like an antenna as well. And that's pretty low volume right now. Let's bring it up a little more. Okay, and you can see the bass on the bottom there as well.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, now we're into Bluetooth mode. So you can see all the different functions that this can do, but there's one more thing I want to show you. Get two of these speakers and you can pair them together. Take a look at how we do this. Okay, we've got two of our Bluetooth speakers out now. I like this nice pretty blue. And here's how we pair them together. We're going to turn them on both at the same time. So press and hold. There we go. And then it tells you to press the noise reduction or the minus button here. It tells you double click it. Okay, here we go. We've got the nice beep. It says that now we're connected to each other. Now we're going to take our phone and turn the Bluetooth on again. So now that everything's connected, we're going to play some music so you can hear what's happening. Let's play that music. So I can hear it out of this one and this one. So now you got stereo sound from these two tiny but powerful Bluetooth speakers. Music Baby, the M68. Thanks for watching, everybody.